Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk about the fact that I don't know everything. But first, if you're here watching this, if you can hear me okay, see me okay and everything, please maybe in the comment just say it's all good, something like that. And if you listen to this and you know or you believe that you have some estate planning help that you need or want, and you want to talk to me about it, you can set up a time to talk with me for free over the phone or in person by going to estatemeeting.com. Estatemeeting.com. Takes you right to my calendar. Pick a time, pick a date. We will talk. All right? And today, interestingly enough, I want to talk about the fact that I don't know everything. Because I don't. I had a conversation with a guy today who, potential client, who was from Texas, and he was coming into some money. There's a business that he was a part of that is dissolving for good reasons, and he's going to get cashed out. He's going to get some money, and he's going to have to pay some capital gains taxes, significant capital gains taxes, and he was looking for a way to reduce those taxes. I gave him a couple of ideas, which he already knew about because he'd been doing some research, and wouldn't work for him for whatever reason. And then he asked me, do I know anything else? And I said, nope, I don't know. What I did tell him was, I can go look, I can find some things, I can come up with some ideas now that I know what your situation is and the problem that you're trying to solve. But off the top of my head, I don't know the answer. He then proceeded to tell me about another idea that he had that was actually an idea that I think he came up with the idea, heard one of my other podcast episodes, and suggested it, which was actually a pretty good idea, called a charitable remainder trust. And he had asked me, some of the details of that. I told him a little bit of what I knew, and then he asked me, have you ever done one? I said, nope, because I haven't. And what I did tell him, and then I suggested that because he's in Texas anyway, he should find someone in Texas. I told him that if he was here, I would probably refer him out to somebody that had done them before, to make sure that it was done right, obviously, because I know what I'm really good at, and I know what I would at least need some help on, some collaboration on. And a charitable remainder trust is one of those things because it's semi-complex, and although I believe I could figure it out, I haven't done one before. So in the hopes of providing a great service, I probably would get someone to help me if they brought them on. And that's where I'm going with this, by the way. I told him, I suggested, hey, go find somebody. He's like, look, I'm having a hard time finding someone that's done these before. They're very rare. That's why I haven't done one either. And I told him, I said, that's great. What I would be looking for in an attorney then is someone that understands what you're talking about, that knows about them, but that isn't afraid to tell you that they don't have a lot of experience in them, but that they are willing to sort of put the work in and do the things that are necessary to make sure that the thing is done and make sure that the thing is done right. Okay? Basically what I'm talking about is you want to try to find a professional that is honest, that has integrity, that has a small enough ego that is willing to tell you when they don't know what they're doing, but a big enough ego to believe that they can go out there and learn it and do it for you. Because that's really what we do as attorneys, is we get problems thrown at us every day and we find ways to solve them. That's what the good ones do, at least. And so if you find yourself in this situation, if you find yourself in any situation where you have questions that need expert level help, I would go through that same process. Try to find somebody that knows what they're doing. Try to find somebody that's honest with you. Try to find somebody that is willing to tell you that they have or haven't done something before. But if you can look them in the eye and you can see that they're willing to do the work, that they have the ground level expertise, then maybe give it a shot, right? The big point here is nobody knows everything, and for people that act like they do, it's kind of dangerous, actually, because you can get yourself into situations that you're not familiar with, and that can get you in trouble. So we do estate planning really, really well for most things. Charitable remainder trusts is not one of them, but if you need an estate plan, if you need a revocable living trust, credit shelter trust, ILIT, life insurance trust, we can do all those things for you. LLC for your rental property. Bunch of different stuff we can do. The only way to find out if we can do it for you or not is to set up a time to talk with me. And you can do that by going to estatemeeting.com, talk to me on the phone, or in person for free at your convenience, estatemeeting.com. All right, hope this video helped you out. Again, I'm just trying to demonstrate to you that we don't know everything, and also to show you that I'm not afraid to tell you when I don't, even here on camera. So this is gonna live forever. But now I have to go study up on charitable remainder trust, so the next time you guys come ask me, I'll know the answer. And that's really how you go about it when you practice law. As a problem comes up, you learn about it, you fix it, and the next time you know a little bit more. All right, that is it. I'm Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, share it with them. And if you have a question or comment, leave it below. Otherwise, I will probably see you again here tomorrow and talk to you about some more estate planning and or probate, whichever comes up. All right, that's it. Have a great day, great week, great everything, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.